Ever struggle to stay focused at your desk because your hands are freezing? Let's fix that right away. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the top 5 best heaters for office desks that keep you warm, comfy, and productive. Check the links in the description below. The number 5 product on our list is ASNUG electric heater. The ASNUG electric heater proves that great warmth can come in small, stylish packages. Designed for office desks and personal spaces, it delivers instant comfort in just 2 seconds. Perfect for those cold mornings when productivity freezes before you do. Its compact build makes it easy to move, yet its heat output feels surprisingly powerful for its size. What really stands out is the quiet operation, whispers silent warmth that keeps your focus sharp during work or study sessions. The automatic tip-over and overheat protection add real peace of mind, especially in busy environments. Compared to bulkier heaters, ASNUG feels safer, smarter, and more personal. It's tested for real-world comfort and truly built for those who crave reliable warmth without distraction. A compact heater that makes every workspace feel like home. At number 4 is Verminget electric heater. The Verminget electric heater turns freezing mornings into moments of instant comfort. Within just 2 seconds, it brings focused warmth exactly where you need it, on your desk, beside your bed, or in your workspace, without wasting energy. Its 30-degree adjustable angle and 900-watt power deliver targeted heat that feels personal and efficient. What truly makes it stand out is its whisper-quiet performance and smart safety system, featuring tip-over and overheat protection for total peace of mind. Compared to other compact desk heaters, Verminget feels more refined, sleeker, faster, and safer. It's tested for real-world comfort and designed for people who work long hours in cold environments. Perfect for students, remote workers, or night readers, this small but mighty heater transforms cold spaces into warm, focused zones of comfort. The third one on our list is TABYIK electric heater. The TABYIK electric heater feels like your personal comfort zone in a box. With its 600-watt PTC ceramic heating, it transforms chilly moments into cozy calm within seconds. You'll love how it quietly spreads warmth through its 45 dB oscillation. No noise, no dryness, just smooth, even heat. Designed for modern workspaces, it fits perfectly on your desk or beside your bed, giving off clean, focused warmth without distractions. Safety is where it truly shines. Flame-retardant materials, tip-over shutoff, and an automatic cool-down system make it feel reliable even in busy environments. Compared to other compact heaters, TABYIK's balance of quiet operation, portability, and smart design stands out. It's tested for real-world comfort, delivering warmth that feels personal, safe, and just right for long office hours or quiet nights. On number 2 is Lerat electric heater. The Lerat electric heater proves that great warmth can come in a small package. Designed for focused comfort, it heats up in just 3 seconds, turning cold mornings at your desk into pure relief. Its 500-watt ceramic system spreads steady, soothing warmth without the noise. Only 20 decibels of peaceful operation. What really makes it special is its simplicity. One tap control, a compact frame, and automatic shutoff protection for tilts or overheating. It's crafted from durable, flame-retardant ABS, giving you quiet confidence while you work or rest. Compared to bulkier desk heaters, Lerat feels smarter, safer, and more personal. Truly tested for real-world comfort, ideal for office desks, dorms, or cozy corners, it's the heater that quietly earns its place beside you every winter day. Now moving to the last one is Dro electric heater. The Dro electric heater feels like stepping into instant comfort. Powered by Hyperamic's technology, it delivers fast, even warmth within seconds. No more waiting through cold mornings at your desk. Its sleek design fits perfectly beside your workspace or under your table, quietly radiating heat without disturbing your focus. The 70-degree oscillation spreads warmth evenly, while the Shield 360DH safety system ensures total peace of mind with tip-over and overheat protection. What truly stands out is its ECO mode, intelligently balancing comfort and energy efficiency, a small detail that saves money while keeping your zone perfectly warm. Compared to other compact heaters, Dro feels smarter, quieter, and far more refined. Tested for real-world comfort, it's ideal for anyone who values warmth as powerful, safe, and beautifully quiet. Among all, the winner is TABYIK electric heater. It's compact, whisper-quiet, and delivers fast, consistent warmth. Perfect for cozy desks, bedrooms, or small office spaces. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best heater for office desk. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.